Hello mga kasubs and welcome to the Sarsicles TV. My name is Mark and for tonight we will be listening and reacting to Zhou Shen's and his debut on the show Singer 2020. So I'm not sure if I'm reading this correctly. Honestly, the title is in Chinese. I had it translated, so if my understanding is correct, the title of the song is Ring the Doorbell and Listen to It Yourself.
I like it, I love it, I want some more.
Recommended by Bill G. Maraming salamat for this recommendation and also thank you to all our viewers for your support. Reaction videos have been uploaded at a later time and this is because of a post-construction cleanup happening in my home. I hope you bear with me, and in the meantime, while waiting for reaction videos to come up, please check out our other content. So we have game content, we have gun content, and some cover songs. Extending my gratitude to our dear members and sponsors. Maraming salamat sa inyong patuloy na pagpapakita. And finally, please check out Posh and Warm. This channel gives us a glimpse on the daily lives of our adorable fur babies, Posh and Yo-Yo. Without any further delays, let us give this song a go in 3, 2, 1.
很迟，你有我的地址，信箱里有钥匙，没人知。你是我的眼泪，琴弦上的玫瑰，天亮时的排队，好词汇，我会自己按门铃，自己听。 自己谋杀啦，自己凋零，自己的眼睛，自己的病，自己的证明。我们自己按门铃，自己听，自己谋杀啦，自己凋零，自己的眼睛，自己的病，自己的证明。嘘，自己平。 以后我要整理你的手稿，把它们都卖掉，换春天。我是你的孩子，我懂你写的诗，我是你的橡皮，你的纸。 自己的眼睛，自己的病，自己的证明。我们自己按门铃，自己听，自己谋杀了，自己凋零。自己的眼睛，自己的病，自己的证明。 好了，就写到这儿。想你现在在哪儿？你一定不安。
And that is the end of the song. Oof. Very powerful performance here. Amazing. So Zhou Shen has quite a high voice. Even during the verse, you can already it shows. It just shows that, you know, high voice. Please, for those who follow, who are fans of Zhou Shen, if you do have information like the range of his voice, how low, how high, you know, how many octaves is within his range, you know, let me know in the comments. Very cool. I would describe his singing or the performance as a whole as magical. His voice is like, you know, the one that you'd probably hear when the wind blows, that can put you under his spell or something. You know, it's just very magical, a magical experience. 1 minute 36. That's the part where, you know, it had that vibe. You know, that you know, very. Because it feels like it's something that travels through the wind. It gives you that cool feeling. Also, he has this a different aura, a different energy. You know, you can also appreciate the powerful sustain that he has. Around 2 minutes 50 seconds. It lasted for a good, I counted 12 seconds, and it's not an easy feat, especially with the highness of how high his voice is. That you know. And also there was one at I think 3 minutes 58, nearing the end of the song. I had the feeling that he was going for a whistle note. There was a point at the song where I felt that he was about to do it, but all of a sudden there was actually some lyrics, some lyrical content instead. But I won't be surprised if he does that. Maybe in another song that we get a chance to react to. If you have any recommendations, let me know. So just an awesome experience here. I'd say that this type of song, this type of singing style, I think he would, you know, it's something I would like to hear in a Bond movie. You know, I like the Bond movies not just because of the movie, but the song, the opening song that they choose. You know, it's just as special as whoever would be the leading lady of James Bond for that film. So those are the things that I look for, or I am looking forward to. Who will be the leading lady, and what would be the opening song? And I think Zhou Shen's singing style would fit this particular movie well. It's just an awesome magical experience. I keep saying that because it is, you know. Anyway, for those who can relate, help me out. Put something in the comment. And for now, that will be my reaction. So anything else that you have for me, recommendations, put it there as well. If you haven't done it yet, there are stuff you can do that's listed in this video that will show you how you can demonstrate extra love into our channel. Please do as many as you can. Don't forget to tell your family and friends about the Sarsicles TV. Sharing is caring, and most importantly, stay safe, everyone. I'll see you on the next video.